you. All right, I won't make you stand on the shaky picnic table. Here you go. Congratulations, sir. Very good. We loved your sequel. Camera. Over here. Over this way. This way. Perfect. Take fun to pickles. So Logan, congratulations. You're the winner of the People's Choice Award. Can you tell me about your boat?
Well, the motor's 7.5. Two or 3 years ago at the boat show, I picked out the design, and then we built it that winter, all winter. And then last summer I started driving it with nothing on it. And then this winter we painted it and got all the decals.
Tell me about this decal.
Well, I picked out all of this. I picked out like this bolt or something, and then I picked out the bee.
And why does the bee have a hat on?
Because it's McPhee's Scottish or something, and then that's a Scottish hat. And McPhee, why we call it the McPhee Bee? Because the bay we live in is called McPhee Bay.
McPhee Bay. Nice steering wheel. Love your flag here. And you built the boat, sir?
I did, Chris, I did. Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Dave Jeffrey.
Can you tell me a little bit about the boat build?
Sure. Well, we actually got the design from the Antique Boat Show a few years ago through you people. You were our inspiration.
Yeah.
Chris. So anyway, we got the design and bought them. I believe it was maybe 3 years ago, and so last winter we went to Home Depot like most of us, weekend warriors do, and bought some wood and started putting it together. And it was a tough, very rewarding job. I was really happy with the way it turned out.
Yeah.
And I would impress on anybody that is even half-assed mechanically inclined to, go for it if you like, because these things are a lot of fun. And again, thanks to the Muskoka Sea Fleet, you guys have kept this going, and we are totally into it.
That's great. What was the hardest part about the boat for you?
The most difficult part, Chris, would have been, actually, believe it or not, was actually forming the bow. And I'm not talking about the bottom part. I got that done pretty good, but right in here, yeah, I shouldn't say this on camera, but I actually blew one piece of 1/4-inch burr.
We always do that.
We always do that, I know. So I ended up with extras. So our next build, the Mini Most XL.
Nice.
Here we come.
Nice. Logan, can you hold up the trophy for me there? All right. Awesomeness. And this is like Canada 150 trophy, so good stuff. I want a picture of that on your mantle at home.
Oh, you're going to be there.
Congratulations. Good job. Okay, Dave, fire it up.
All right, here we go.
One start. What is it? Evinrude. One pull.
7.5.
Sorry, what kind is it?
It's a 1955 7.5 Evinrude.
Right.
It's built the same year as his grandmother was born.
Okay, go for it.
I'll spin you around. You can put it in gear yourself, okay? Tethering off.
Nice. Oh. You got a kill switch on that, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay, I'm going to spin you around. You can put it in gear yourself. Hang on. Okay, where you go?
shoulder's gonna get stuck.
So how was it, Logan?
Good. I got a little wet by those legs.
Okay, pull the kill switch.